Hello and welcome to yet another episode of the Diaspora Podcast. The name is Sakele Ninguma Umkajwa. And today I've got a man who's part of a football family dynasty. You know, we've got the famous Ndlovu brothers, we've got the Chunga brothers, but we also have the Gumbo brothers. And today on the show, we've got none other than Norman Gumbo. They call you Nocha. Is that a corruption of your first name? How did that nickname come about?
Hey, I'm not sure. Ngathi ngikhula vele ngangazalala nginguNoji
Oh,
Enjube from Enjube kuma-grassroots engakhulela khona.
s-
So as I joined the Saints kwatshintsha kwaba nguNoja. But nganginguNoji mina. I
and where
don't
did
know.
that Nochi come from?
I don't know where ngakhula vele ngiyaza lami ngangizazi nginguNoji. So I don't know ukuthi avela ngaphi. Ibizo abanika lona ngimncane I think.
Okay. Now let us take it back to where it all began. Understand Umtala had a team, Njube United. Is that how you guys got into football? Is that where you started playing organized football in your father's team?
Yes. Vele sathi well siqalisa ukubona at 4 or 5 years ngikhaya kwakutshona kuzothiwa i-team sizogqoka i-team yayigqokela ngikhaya vele yayiteam yangikhaya. So sonke family yonke, my older brothers and my young brother nabazukulu bami, we started playing iLokhuz Bunjube United.
Okay, so people got to know Raman, you, and Sancho. Were there other brothers who also played the game maybe ahead of Raman?
Yes, we had Jimmy, firstborn Yankai. He was a very good player. He played for Injury United, went to play Ekwekwe for KB Rockets, I think. That was, yeah, he got to KB Rockets. He played again, Uplay Wanderers, Ingagabi Eagles. Yeah, then after him, we have Charlie, Otangu Chanki. Why good? He was a very talented player. I think far better than Mina Ronaldo Sancho. He was so talented, but along the way he decided to go enye indlela yakhe engafuna ezebhola. But he was so talented.
Okay, so all the brothers played football because of the influence Mdala. What was ibizo likaMdala?
Umdala wayenguPeter Sister Kumbo. He owned Injuba United.
Okay, so was he
Wayengucoach,
the owner or was he also coaching? Was he a player? What was the story?
wayengucoach, owner, everything, sponsor, yonke into, it was him. Wayehambisa coacha but thina sethi kuma-juniors wayengasasicoachi, sasesiqasa wayesedinga ocoach bezocoach, wayecoach i-first team yena.
Also, he was a Jomo Sono.
Yeah, exactly, yeah, wayenguJomo Son, exactly, ngoba yonke into vele it was around him. Ama-players, ukudla nguye abathengela, i-transport, it was him, yonke into nguye esenzela. So
So self-funded, the team was self-funded. So did he own businesses? Because nowadays running a football team is very, very expensive.
I don't know how he managed to do that, because he could afford, because ama-games unxa siyedlala uzothiwa siyedlala isizinda, siyedlala eChabalala, ePhumula, nguye ayesponsor i-team, ugadile lokhu transport up and down, siyadlala ngale after game, ukudla like ukuthengela ama-players maybe ama-drinks, lesinkwa, like it was from his pocket, but he didn't own any businesses.
He was working somewhere.
He was working somewhere like me and you as a Sebenzela, but he managed to run a team, and he managed it very well.
And the first team was playing in which division?
It was Division 2, if I remember well. Yeah, it was Division 2.
Okay.
Always
Yeah.
Division 2 there.
Yeah. Kudos to him because when you run a football club, you're not only giving boys an opportunity to play football, but you also, building a community because football brings a lot of discipline and all that.
Exactly, that's what he did. And Juve, all the boys, young boys who played for Injury United, discipline it was there, and like keeping away from Milo Cruiser from being amateurs, from doing wonke, ungezwa lani. All the boys were playing football. So in Juve, community in Juve, so he did very well for a community in Juve.
Okay. Now then, coming back to you, you started in which age group and any players that you played with as you were starting your career that you went on to play with maybe in the elite ranks?
I started playing from under 12. We were the first group, under 12 Yafonia, till I was 10, 11, I think. That's where under 12 started. Because we under 14, under 16, Chapambit. So Tina started for 11 years. Well, was it Zifa that time? Yeah, something like that. They formed them under 12. Tina Saba, the first group, under 12. So I remember, city, ndingabangani bakho esikolo, all the boys besides then eziyazi ibhola around enjuve khona apha sifome i-team sokulabo i-age group yenu isikhona khathesi, so you'll be playing against amanye ama-team. So we rounded up abafana i-boys ezenjuve, and we had players like Joshua Misha. Joshua Misha was one of them. There's another one, Unonhlanhla.
Boxer.
Boxer, yeah, Unonhlanhla was another. We had guys like abanye they didn't go further in football career, yeah. But we had a very good amateur junior locals. Because if you remember under 16, under 14, under 16, I blind, I could too much.
You could hold your own against the bigger teams like Abo Islanders.
Yeah, Islanders, number one, babekwazi ukuthi ungathiwa versus Njube United, especially bengabuya away enjuve ngale kwakungaphula. They knew very well. So babe make sure ukuthi singahamba away. Bona babe the advantage but ukuthi ngasihamba away kabe kuyesabisa e-BF uzothi sidlalele e-BF usabe sesaba thina. Babe sidla ngakhonokho. But otherwise sasibakhulela most of the time.
But were you guys not using eDesert? And eDesert by then had a lush green lawn. So APF, what was the difference now? Because well, maybe the people, the crowds, but in terms of the playing surface, it was the same. Eh?
No, eDesert, as the name say, eDesert, kwakuyisigwagwa. Sikuma juniors, kwakungela even not even a single cruiser, grass, kwakungela, kwakuyisigwagwa, proper sigwagwa.
Okay.
Yaba yi-desert, yaba yiloni, I think sasesisukile enjubeni. Yeah, mina ngathi ngiyibona sile loni ngayethuka.
So yeah, take us through that situation whereby you are used to playing Esquaqua football. Then all of a sudden, Highlanders, you're playing against Highlanders, and you're playing inside famous Papa Fields Stadium. How did you guys cope? Any stories of maybe someone running a Kazwa Iloni for the first 5 minutes, and then after that, to say me.
Before vele uzothiwa sidlala le-Highlanders ePapa Fields, iwiki yonke uyacabanga ukuthi ngani ngama-Graysdens lawana, ucabanga ukuthi yithi sabe sidlala e-BF, singena e-BF thina vele sitshaye i-warm up sabe sikhangela ama-Graysdens khona pha. Ngani sasijayele okwenjuke laphana okungaphokuba ngokuyilokhu. So imagine usungena e-BF usulokhuza, and west i-Highlanders ithi thutsha from dressing room yabo ngathi ngicabe ngena ungadinala selingene early ngase bengena bona bethutshe begqoke i-black and white ngani yi-Highland yamaqini. Vele kwakungamnandi. Yikho kwakuthiwa kuzothiwa basitshaye 5, but labe lingadliwanga libhola, labe lidliwe yikhona okuyaningi ukuba yesaba nje ukuthi sidlala le-Highland.
And where's ama-shooters level sebenza ama-ayini because aphela ngalesikwakweni
ngale kwakuyisigwagwa, ama-shooters amanye abugqoka amanye angafananiyo bona be-Islanders bebuye beshaye vele yonke i-team begqoka amabhutsi bekhwezela amasokisi abanye beyesabisa. But I remember first time sadlala eBhoso, I remember Barberfield. It was ngo-11 emini. So ama-supporters ayeseqalisa ukuba khona. Bebangumsindo but sabachaya oWillard, oMercedes, oNetsayi. I remember yibo ababedlala but they were 1 year older than us. Befake kulabana. I remember sabachaya 2-0.
Serious?
Yeah, kwavuka umsindo. Thina sasesingene eBF ukuthi later in the afternoon sizabukela i-first team. Basicoach. After game babe kuthiwa o-Ali laba nobhabha lo mdala kuthiwa ngumdala bani uChooks. Okuthiwa ngumdala Chooks omunye la wayengani uyilokhuza. Labo Washo umdala Washo.
Yeah.
Why-Islanders that time. Sebesilo le top. Basicoach basikhipha kwathiwa kungazwakali basikhiphela sagcina singabukelanga ilokhuza. And that's one of the reasons up to now I don't like Islanders. Unfortunately, hayi basicotsha sebechamp umdala phela wayebuya lathi ungeyedwa mdala imagine sebemgcwalele khona kungakhanyi ukuthi balokhu sibadlile.
And it wasn't an issue of maybe claims of age cheating, since you are saying you guys were a year older than were a year younger than our Willard.
Willard, even Willard, Mercedes, so babe 1 year older than us. Babelingana like Joshua like waye-size zabo, I think. Nguye ikhona wayengani ligiant osasithembile. But the rest thina kwakuzi-boys ezincane. But zazibulala i-boys. Zazi sabachaya 2-0. Sesiqeda igame laphana kwaphuma ingane sokuvuka umsindo sezwa kuthiwa seliphuma selikhitshwa. But normal lasithi lingadlala kuma-juniors.
Selithole i-chance yokubukela i-first.
Ukubukela i-first. So i-excitement yonke throughout the week yokuthi siyabukela i-Islander. Sabe singena eMahara. Yonke yona lana sebesicotshe sesime phandle uyazi ngathi izi-boys zemalokitshini zenjube ngathi seliphonga selimile selicabanga ukuthi ngincekuza kulo omunye ozalizwa kungela even one osizwelayo. Imagine sakhutha igame sabuyela enjube siyazi disappointed lakathezi ngahle ngathi i-Islanders.
Yes, because this is a question that I was going to ask. Norman, when you were playing the Highlanders, you would kick those players. You would kick, and even on the stands, people would be like, Norman does not like Highlanders. Norman Highland where is on. So I really wanted to ask Putikati, is it true that you did not like Highlanders, and where did that emanate from?
You know, sakhula sithanda i-Islander vele ifamily kwakuyifamily team uyazi ngathi khulele ebulawa i-Islander wonke umuntu uyabe support i-Islander. So i-excitement yonana like that day ukuthi siyabukela i-Islander sebesicotsha west befuna ukuthelela itopi ukhangela ukuthi ngabantu be-Islander laba ngahle ngathi then got a chance ukuthi right sesidlala le-Islander kathesi lami sengidlala sengibhutho sengidlala eSaints. Every time versus Islanders vele kwakungifaka ilokhuza vele ukuthi i-Islanders ayibulala. Up to now ngathesi even ngathesi ngabala newspaper i-Islanders idliwe i-draw njengathesi i-draw, so I always ngamake sure ngiyahlela ngize ngithi well,
there's a time when I was watching a game between the Highlanders and Zimbabwe Saints, and you were kicking, you were kicking the Highlanders players such that Rahman, by then he was still a striker. He had to come from up front there to give you a talking to.
No, and West, no, Willard sakhula kuma-juniors tshona sihluphana angazi ukuthi sasizwana sasilokhu and sasiku-first team Willard off the ball Willard uyabuye ngithi ga ngithi ngathi andikawungela mvidiyo like ngathesi ukuthi ividiyo amalokhu
VAR.
Yeah, Willard engithi ga baleke ngithi ngiyakhangela ngathi ngibone ukuthi ngimbone elokhu next thing vele nami ngase sasesidlala so every game. And one time wabehambe eGermany eze-Germany lapha ngingathona ukuthi wahlala isikhathi esinganani one day sezothiwa Willard uphendukile wathi efika uWillard iqalisa igame mina ngahle ngamsukela lokhuyani ukuthi vele sesiqalisa isichitho sakudala yabuya izondile yafika athi mina sengatshintsha sayenza konke lokhu yani nakathi eZimbabwe manje thina sitshintshanga sidlala yona nxa ungayifuni buyele eGermany. Wadlala nzima igeke yangona kalibonanga vele ngasithi ethi uyakhontrola ibhora ngisuke lapho kumbe ngiphike enxeni yabe ngiphike omunye umuntu ngale ngimthiye ngibuye ngigijime pasi ngingathi ngifike sepasile sesaba ngamthwalisa nzima ngaze ngathi after game sesetshwaleni wabe sithi hayi wena mfana but into eground akumelanga senzane njalo wena ngutshomi wami wena but kumele sidlale kuhle nangathi akusebenzi eground akulatshomi akulani.
Is that the game umele usatshana khona lo Madinda?
Yeah, I remember. Hey, but when a ground, sasitshona sonke abafana be-Highlanders. But eground kwakuphela konke lokhu. Well, even that before games sasitshelana ukuthi Machida bengasidla lapha siyalokhu siyanathela nga. Lapho esikhamba khona vele babe sikhulela. So i-Highlander kumele idliwe. Vele kwakuyispirit esasilaso kusenzi. Ukuthi i-Highlander yi-last team okumele isidle.
Hayi lalikwanisa.
Hayi sayizama yake yasikhulela at one point hayi ayisiqinile basokuvumbuluka iObenji oPeter labo Adam yayisiqinile yasikhulela lapha nxa yachaya 2 seasons isithwale senzima sesiye sa but before sasikhulela even afterwards saqasa futhi ukuqina futhi lathi sesiyikhulela.
Okay, let us go back. You're playing for Njube United. Then later on, you moved to, is it Zimbabwe Saints Juniors? How did that move come about?
Yeah, Njube, you know, khona ukuthi sasibona singama-juniors ukuthi like iTopi wawubona ukuthi kwesikhathi ya-strike kwakungasamnandi kakhulu. So mina ngase ngifunde Solukazi. So ngase ngiqasa uJayelanda abafana bemzilikazi. And next thing baqasa belokhu besithi abanye besithi buya kwa-Highland abanye buya kuSaints buya kwa-Highland buya kuSaints because ngase ngidlala ibhola esikole. So I ended up deciding ukuthi akubana ngiye kuSaints.
So which players were you playing with school soccer at Solukazi, like players that became prominent?
Good team yethu like first team kwakulo uDumi Ngulube. uDumi wayesedlala that time wayesedlala vele ku-first
Senior team ye-Highland.
Senior team kwakulo Obey, my best friend. Obey so bayikhona kulo wawunomfana bakuthiwa ngune bakuthiwa nguThamsanqa.
Oh, uThamsanqa, was it Thamsanqa Ndlovu?
Yeah, une. Angikwazi wayehluleka kanjani ungena ku-first team. Talent, brilliant player, very talented. Kwakulo bani kwakulo amaQuincy, they were one form behind us.
Okay.
Who was there? John khona kwakulo John wadlalela iLanders like.
Okay.
ILanders the Saints. Abafana babedlalela iSonic.
And how was the competition now when it came to schools soccer? Considering that some of the guys that you played with at club level, you'd find them at Mzilikazi. Some of the guys that were at Zimbabwe Saints, you'd find them at Popoma, and some of them at Msiteli. So how was the competition at schools level?
Kwakunzima esikolo laphana kwakunzima because kwakunemzilikazi kwakule-St. Columbus futhi yayigcwele abafana very talented, same from Highland Saints Olympics. Labanye ababedlala ama-juniors kuthiwa Emhlangeni team labo YCC babegcwele around khonaphana so kwakuyiSolukazi, St. Columbus lemzilikazi. Umzilikazi kwakulabo Lovejoy, oMpumelelo ayiqinile layo. Then eMsitheli ngale kwakugcwele ze-Eagles ngale. Nazo zazihlupha lasithi lingahamba khona ngale lingaphumi. But ezinye like other schools oHlathi labo kwakusiba le-one onqa kube le-one player elalile kuze kumbe uhambe kwakuyini Phumula High lemagwegwe kwakufica one onqa kulabo kuthiwa noTete ngale. sasibazi ukuthi uyahlupha but labeli bathi yadila naye kuphela abanye laba labakhulela thina plus asiyethusela lakhona kanti singabe kugcwele abe-saints labe-island so lingadlala lezikole zingale labe lizethusela wese sobukazi ikit yethu yayi-exactly ye-islanders yayi-stripes on the sun esinjengese-islanders so la singadlala izikole ezinye ezingane ezilokhu lingene liyethusela bahle bedliwe khona pha.
So was it deliberate now ukuthi imzilikazi they were wearing blue, so then Sobukazi black and white, was it deliberate ukuthi mhlawumbe imzilikazi is aligned to iZimbabwe Saints, Sobukazi is aligned to
that you said that maybe I didn't understand but iSobukazi I know ama-teacher angona abaningi even deputy headmaster wethu uNkomo wayengu-Islander vele wayengani uyi-official ku-Islander and wayengu-coach we-Lokhuza we-team labo PM Dube babe-coach iLokhuza kwangabe-Islander so vele i-first team yayigqoka iLokhuza ikit yebhosi yona leyani ama-stripes even i-B yethu yayigqoka ikit eyi-black enjenge-reserve side ye-Islanders so vele kwakuyi-Islander vele.
So during your time at Sobukazi, did you maybe get to win anything and represent the province? Like I was talking to Maza and he was saying there was the Dunlop Trophy, maybe the College Press Trophy. Did you guys take part in those competitions and win something, considering that there was so much competition?
Yeah, we did that. I remember imzilikazi yasikhipha no i-St. Columbus sakhitshwa i-St. Columbus eyabo kugcwele o-Humpty uma-Humpty okujakhali lokuya wakubulala basikhipha ku-Dunlop basichambe 5-0 vele sithembile futhi woma eSobukazi babuye Lokhuza babuya basichaya 5 sithembile sathi saphuma yathi siphambili I think wawina iMsitheli that time then siqinile kwawulabo John Sibanda labo Coletha Beyidlizi labo Gary uMarco Chuma yayiqinile iMsitheli iyahambe yarepresent iLokhuza izone yethu.
Okay, so going back to
uDumazo wayesemagwegwe.
uDumazo wayesemagwegwe. So now take us through the journey, juniors football, because now you earlier talked about luminaries when you talk about junior football in Gobulawayo, people like Abo Hashi, Abomdalo, Opapa, Lani, Labo Chani. So what was the rivalry like when it came to juniors football? Was it the same as what we saw in the senior team, whereby you knew there's no love lost between Zimbabwe Saints and Islanders? And like I earlier mentioned, you could see Isibhakera civili now umajambe sechana lo Fanweli, now umelusi sechana lo Madinda. So was it the same thing kuma juniors, and especially the coaches abadala laba, because upapa Petela?
Exactly, kwakuvele kwakusuka kuma-juniors khona kani kwakwenzakala sesikuma-seniors kwakusukisela kuma-juniors ekuseni vele ngama-9 kuqalisa ama-juniors khona phana kwakungumsindo babengani bazondana ama-coaches angikhona kwakuyi-rivalry yamaqini kwakunomunye kwakuthiwa uThemba Chuks
owagcina esiba le young blood.
Yeah, wayele team yakhe wagcina secoacha team yamasotsha but wayele team yakhe yama-juniors la yayiqinile wayibuya layo vele ehlebuye bekhanya ukuthi bazondile and alibadli then kubuye uJani lo-Ali zazitshona ngani sezibona sekufuqwana sebengani nama-players vele kwakuhle kubuild into ama-players and khona ngani kwakubuilda into singabafana abancane singama-juniors under 16 under 18 lalihle liqase vele likhangelane lokhuyana ukuthi i-Islander vele ayisenzi so lathi siyangena ku-first level libathi i-Islander vele akumelanga singadliwa ngenye i-team or any other team i-Islander ayisidli so kwakubhildwa ngabojani labo-Lokhuza
Nabobaba
labo very good coach kwathiwa nguStanley Stanley kuma-juniors labo Washi from Lokhuza ngani was Ingwem Crackers.
Ingweb Crackers, Old Pumula.
Yeah.
Mm. So now, then, since you were from Jube, there was Eclis there, because I knew a lot of people from my wood bebesuka besiyadlala ku-Eclis uzovele bebuya behlanya imajiya izinyoni. So were there no attempts now to lure you to say, but when Njube lapha, why did you come over uzodlala ku-Eclis?
Manje mina ngasithi before vele enjube ngasuka sengisakusendi ngasuke uhlala enjube ngahlala eNorth End.
Okay.
Vele enjube kwakuyilokhuza yethu uthi yethu sasitshona khona vele. So even sidlala kuma-juniors sidlala le team yenjube kwakule-Red Sea Rovers futhi kuma-juniors. Sathi ngingasidlalayo mina babengikhaba like vele bafuna ukumbona lokhana Eclis West Eclis layo phezu kwami vele lami nganyenza ngani vele manje asiyazani qalisa igame kuhle first 10 minutes ukalo sekulama-yellow card vele catshana. But it was just a rivalry. After game sihleka sesiqhawulana okwamajita khona kuya ukuthi i-ground awulamngani.
So in the past, it was really a men's game.
Yeah, ama-juniors, it was nice. Ama-juniors, high competitive, too much. I don't know now, ngagcina kudala ukubona ama-juniors khathesi, but it was so competitive. Ukuthi wawukwazi ukuthi even ngahamba uzothwalisa eChabalala, i-team yeChabalala kwakuthiwa yini i-Warriors. Labe likwazi ukuthi i-Warriors ngalala iphume ihambe sizinda kuyabe kule team Athletics. Liyabe liphuma nzima. I-away game vele kuyabe kunzima. Ephumula ngale lafica vele zijikisile igwebu khona ngathi even sikusayensi sathi sihambe ephumula uJano wayehlala ephumula. Sathi sihambe ephumula khona ngale kwakungumsindo sidlala team ephumula but sasigcwele abafana bephumula thina sasesithethe oDumaza oMelusi o-Agenti o-Nation. But sasihamba labo khona ngathi kufike kuvuka umsindo ngale kwakulabanoTsetse oRambo ezakhona ngale vele zazilazo zazingaphumi lula. Kwaphunywa nzima every game away game kwaphunywa nzima. Even lathi kuma-juniors sisenjube akula team ebuya any team evela kulokhu uyisidle yayingaphumi.
And how did that then condition you for the top flight? Since you are saying you knew it's like we are going empini juniors. How did that condition you for the top flight?
Uyathi ungena uyabe usukwazi usuredi vele usukwazi ukuthi ungangena eground kumele utshintshe lokhana ukuthi lo ngubani ibhru wami lo kuyaphela after game where's mina ura my brother ura sasilala sembed sidla from semganu but uthi Sunday versus Islander sasikhohle ukuthi lo ngura lo ngulo. I remember the other day wangikhaba from behind ngapho ngimbona thutha ngigijima lebhola next thing ngazibona sengiphansi uRoger Russell ngena eground wamgijimisa efuna ukumqeda and lami ngathi ngivuka ngamfuna ukumgijimela but ngavuka ngathi lokhuza apho ngumkhangela afterwards that same lokhuza same days salala same bed ebusuku hleka sinatha sonke. So it was like that. Kwakus conditioner from kuma-juniors khona khona ukuthi ungangena eground akula wakho akula mngani wakho kaphela 90 minutes selibuyela selingabangani selisiya relaxa lonke kumbe xa linatha liyenatha lonke kumbe liyenzeni lonke.
So are you saying after that game, a heated game with clashes and tackles, when you get home, it's all smiles. Akula ukuthi but put us.
Vele siphuma eground khona bana sawusesilokhu vele sasiphuma uRambo wayetshona ngikhaya vele sathi siphuma siyageza uRambo yabe esekhona phuma lapho vele sesibuzana namhla sinathana kathi kusatshaya u-7 ntambama sabe sihlezi kwenye indawo sinatha sonke kwebhola lokase kuphelile. And before ngenxa nge-Thursday sabe sinathe sonke sizadlala Sunday then khona kani ukuthi e-ground ndiyatshintshelana vele khona kani ukuthi akula kuthiwa kulomba.
Okay.
So but I've built up from juniors khona kuya.
So now take us through your journey, Guma Juniors, up until the time you got promoted. Like, when did you get that first team contract?
Ku-says ngadlala kuma-under 16, then kuma-under 18 ngadlala half season, and then I got promoted to first team. I was lucky. Ulokhuza very Mr. T Tendai Cheza. He liked me a lot. Leroy Barreto. They liked me a lot in Kuma Juniors. So John told me when it is that I think that's the ZRP, APF. Chai warm up. John told while we were dressing room, City, the first team here we are was Obugedi Lokuza, was Obugedi came. That's the lady Papa Field. But the first team here we was Obugedi came, and the special was Bugela Unomen. So emthipha nje ukuthi namhla kumele ubone ukuthi make sure ukuthi udlala kuhle. First team yayise camp first team. So what first team is ukubukela, and that day I had a brilliant game. So wina 7-1 ngahlohla 4.
So that shows ukuthi mentally you were strong, because imagine so ukuthi andoda senior team ama coaches abuya lapha, someone could crumble secabanga ukuthi every move engiyenzayo it's monitored. So with that in mind, maybe umuntu engagcine engaperform. So ukuthi mentally wena you were strong phela.
Kuma juniors honestly angizipraise. Kuma juniors sasizithembile. Sathi hayi ngaphana sasibulala ama-juniors ethu sasizithembile ukuthi kungathiwa even computer like kuzothiwa kule squad siyaphiwa betitshele bethi coach be-squad babuya bezolokuza wawudlala vele ukhohliwe ukuthi kulo coach olokuzileza sasizithembile.
So talking about T-Squad, did you represent the country Guma age group national teams?
Only under 20s.
Okay, which year was that?
That was 86, 85, 86.
And that squad did which other players?
Tutani, Ronnie Joa, from Harare, Oscar Motsi,
okay.
Ukudzi
Taruvinga.
Lo keeper Tramba nofana keeper wakubamba uSydney wayekhona engikhipha la Sydney.
Alright. Oh lesa wakubamba khona uSydney lo Spencer Ngove lo Marvelous Munemo.
Wawulo Marvelous, yeah, wawulo Marvelous, yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So okay, I once saw on a podcast uthiwa lagcina li disqualify, was it over Paul Gundani's passport or something? Yiso
sasibanengi ababe over age ngoba sasibanengi yikho lami ngaphuma
wakati lawo.
Yes, sasibanengi I think sasi a few months older ngoba kuma-under lokhuza vele babefuna ube 3 months or so before i-birthday yakho uzuqualify. So zaphuma zaphuma 6 but disqualified team sahle sayilokhuza sasibanenge sasibakhulu.
So was it a mistake, a genuine mistake, or a deliberate effort for you guys to edge it?
Honestly, it was deliberate. Actually, kuma-juniors, honestly, singasakambi manga, kuma-juniors, it was very, ama-juniors ayinjalo. Sonke sadlala from under, even kuma-under 14, under 16, wonke ama-juniors kwakunjalo. Mina ngaso kuyi-second time bengikhipha. Kuma-Table North futhi under 18 Coca-Cola. Sasipikiwe, labo Duma, sakhitshwa labo Dumas, I think, labo... I-team yethu yayibophile sibili bakhipha on the 9 players. Amakhadi ethu lana kwawula amakhadi abhale Coca-Cola lawa ale picture yakho le age lokhuza yakho. Athi sephenduka kuyi-game day khonapho sesilungile sesiba ready ukuthi siyadlala aphenduke sebhale too old ukuthi ungabe ngawunika ikhadi ukuthi uthatha ubone too old bese uthi u-Ale ethi asitshintsheni kwatshintshwa i-team. So kuma-juniors very age lokhuza yayigcwele ama-juniors wonke vele ayenjalo eBulawayo. Even eZimbabwe yonke vele ama-juniors bakuqilwa. Iyayilenza number one, iyayilenza yayitshona idlalisa phela kwakugcwele ungoshoti kuthiwa ngobani onela abantu labo omakheyi ochunky dlodlo labana badlala kuma-under 16 for how many years?
Hey, njengoMackay, may God bless his soul. Uninja phela uyazi ukuthi even lama under 23 ama-90s he was still there.
It was rife ilokhu age cheating kuma-juniors. Mina ngangaba lenye ilokhu i-birth certificate yona le eyayilokhuze bambamba ngahle ngayijikela khatshana. Lucky ngahle ngingena ku-first team, so ngahle ngathi kwangama-juniors, so ngahle ngangena ku-first team ngahle ngathi mana sishiyane lokuqila lokhu. But vele it was rife age cheating. Maningi ama-players ayedlala kulokhu kuma-juniors emakhulu. Iyayilenda yona le u-Ali kwakusokuthiwa Ndabeli line u-captain wangale hambe elibuza 1-1 amabizo. U-Ali uyabe ehuva around ama-players akhe ewalk up behind ebakhumbuza. Lokhu ebakhumbuza esithi ungakhohlwa Jake. Thulisa Ncube 1971. Ekutshele the best date ihambe batshele 20 paper ebakhumbuza. So sasimkhangele thina sabe sikwazi ukuthi u-Ali yenza njalo. So but that was then kuma-juniors bakunjalo.
Ngithi lo mjida oyabumazi ukuthi wena lo ngusibani banyana lo lithi nxa selilaphana uzwe umuntu esekhuluma elinye ibizo.
Ukhona uMelusi nanga.
Yeah, Uphathi, mina I'm from Phumula East, Anjo. So like Uphathi was from Phumula East, Anjo. So sisengwegwe primary school lapha. Lalo nguMelusi. Kadlalwana nguMelusi. Ngumelusi boyithu njani? Umnawo wangikhona.
Uphathi wayetshintshile ngabe iMathebele North, I think. Ilokhu ama-juniors wayetshintshile.
So, but when I spoke to Dumaza, he was like, hayi yena ngokwakhe wayengela birth. So kwasethathe kamnawakhe kumbe kwakuyikuqile.
Kwangathi. Dumaza wayevala but wayelokhu wayetshaya yona le yokuthi uyatshintsha ube ngulokhuza.
And he became Melusi Nkiwane for the rest of his life.
Yeah. Wadlala ku-national team enguMelusi Nkiwane.
Okay, so then when did you get promoted into the senior team? Which year was it?
85. Soon after I came in, we like on a Saturday. The first day later that day. Next week Saturday. Monday. Next week Saturday. Nabusendokuzi. Saturday came down about views with Indians of Sona. In the first team. I've been service trainer 1 week. I've been Piva first team.
And who did you find there already in the first team? People that you were competing for places with?
Nothing Piva well. Good midfield. Gwagudabo Jimmy Piri, Udalo Chemi Onotariwa. Cedric Green, Andrew Kading wayeseli veteran but wayelokhu ekhona engene ephume. So ngathi ngingena khonapho ngathi ngifika mina kwakulokhu ama-midfielders wona lawo.
Then how was the competition now and how easy was it to break into the starting 11?
Ngathi ngifika from last week ngidlala kuma-under 18, ngathi ngifika following week. I-lineup ya-TV ilokhuza bampika starting 11 sidlala i-Black Aces ZPF.
And how was that, your debut? How was it?
Lucky ngangidlala labo uChemi Unitsarila. Great guy, wayengiguide throughout and tshela ukuthi dlala yona leyana yakho idlala last week besikubukele yenza khona okuyani ungayesabi lutho bafanana bonke bona labo ngangena ngadlala 90 minutes first game yami sawina 2-0
Serious?
ngadlala lo Chemi lo Cedric ku-midfield
So udlale lakho liphela ukukhaba lo nto.
ha
Into lakho wabakhaba indaba besisi.
mina ngangidlala ngantshintsha phela ukuthi ngingatshintsha ngavukela ukukhaba siyakhabana ngavuka kuthiwa sesidlala sharp siyadlala loo nto leya so ngadlala sharp. I had a good game that day.
And from there on, were you a regular or babeku manager? Ukuthi njengoba ngumfana maybe kumele simmanager.
But isizini esizaphela ngoba ngadlala 4 games after that. Isizini yaphela. Then I moved to Lokuza. I moved to Eagles for 1 year.
Okay.
Ngamuva ngo-86 ngamuva ngadlala ku-Eagles for 1 year.
So 86 was that the year Eagles got demoted?
No.
It wasn't.
Ayibulala i-Eagles lana engihamba ngayidlalela asidimotwanga. Sadlala I don't remember ukuthi aphuma number one, but we had a good season.
And who were you playing alongside at Eagles?
Eagles yayichaza kwakuchaza ukudlalela i-Eagles because mina ku-midfield ngandlala lo Fra Packet lo Lazi
uMambopo.
kwakulo Chuchu wayedlala wayejala udlala iLokuza i-left back kwesikhathi kudlala uStone Shed. U-Alan wayedlala i-right back, Alan Ndlovu. Then kulo Felix center lo Simon Ncube. Then sokudlala mina ngandlala number 10. Francis number 6. Laz number 8, Boy number 7. Ura ngandlala number 9. Then lo Victor
Monsami. Okay, so now how was it like now playing with your brother? Kuma juniors like adlala lonke yini Ura kumbe laqaza ukuyadlala lonke at Eagles?
At Eagles nguye vele wahamba walokhu organize ukuthi ngiyedlala ku-Eagles. Ngura wang-organizer then sadlala ku-Eagles one season. It was nice. It was so relaxed. Eagles kwakumnandi kwakungela pressure yani ukuthi kuthiwani lani kwakumnandi.
And understand who was your coach by that time?
Majuda.
I understand the Eagles they prioritized in indaba yakuthi players should be like a shifting spanner, like you are saying ukuthi you could find Chuchu playing at left back, you could find him playing in midfield, so players could easily play anywhere in the field. Was that something that you did even at training ukuthi vele akuthiwa ukuthi uNorman number 10 kuphela, no Norman can play anywhere?
Very Majuda was very flexible. Why encourage our players ukuthi abe versatile? Edlale nga. Ura waqasa number 3 Ura.
Serious?
Yeah. But if you are number 3 weeklies, then bamtshintsha anti-Eagles yayingani kwesikhathi yayishota uzothi ayishotile. But rahamba wedlala phambili urahamba wahlahla i-trick.
Kwahla bathiwa sokhona pha.
Wahlala khona pha. Wadlala. Magcina kuthiwa sokushotile wadlala i-midfield. So kwakunjalo ku-Eagles.
Yeah, because I remember at some point I saw him playing in central defense. Uraman, just busy bit.
Yeah, all over the logos, all over anyway, and sharp wherever bamfake khona.
So then you went back to Zim Saints. Were you part of the Zim Saints squad that won the league in 98?
88.
In 88, yes, sorry, in 88.
Ngadlala one season, 86. And I had a good season because yathi sisiyaphela isizini i-Saints they basebenhlezi lokho sebemfuna back. And but ku-Eagles kwakumnandi, kwaku-easy to play ku-Eagles and kwaku-flexible, so kwakungela pressure lana ye-Saints. Ku-Saints too rigid. Into zangona vele kwakuyi. So, but ilo bakungiluwa ngokulokhu isenze yayisiye Uganda.
Oh yes.
Eastern Central what club championship. So manje siye Uganda so ngoJanuary. So ukusquad bahle banjela i-team ingakalo bathi ukhona ku-squad. Ngathi ngabuyelela khonokho.
Who travel outside the country?
So ngatravela sahamba e-Uganda sathi phenduka. Hey, kusenze kwaso kunzima lapha ukungena e-teamini.
Why?
Yeah, kwakunzima ku-midfield laphana kumbe bona ama-midfielders uJoshua Misho wayesekuseyinsi time yakhona. Kwakuno-Stanford Ntini. Kwakulo Davis Banda, very good player wayevele egwema. Kwakulo
Umeshek Sibanda.
Umeshek wayengcono wayecover from defense. But ku-midfield laphana kulo uBoyce wayekhona but ungama-last few days but wayeke edlale kulo Stanley Mtasa kulo Jimmy Cedric Green and kwakunzima ukuthi ilokhu uzungene kona ba so 8 lokhu kwakuyi-in and out vele babetshona bengani bayilokhu ingani i-team yangona ayistep vele kudlala lo kudlale lo then ngo-88 yikho engaklasi ingani sengidlala khona isizini esawina khona ileague I think yeah but kwakunzima kusenzi kwakunzima then we won the league then 89 yikho sadlala
e-Africa
khona 89 ngase kwasokudlala uRoy ama-favorites akhe kwakuyimi lo Davis ku-midfield Davis Wanda so 89 I played almost throughout the season.
But taking you back to 88, how were you able to achieve that feat of lifting the league championship? What happened? What was the trick behind your success?
People maybe might not see it this way, but I think it was fitness. There was Roger Russell, I'm a trainer with. Sasi fit. Amateam amaningi sasiwaqeda very eselokuthi sasi fit we overfit. Team yethu yasasilasta. So isizini yonke saye satshaya 23 games unbeaten.
But now Lali Ngeko only fit. You guys could play.
Yeah, we could. Udlala very saints Andrew has worked on very carpet soak. So Roy, why tactician, very Roy. Why was who start the game, understand the game, the ama opponents. But I mean, I think it's strong point where we do because I'm a team man and sensitive in so kunzima. Yeah, play the game, sing down.
Okay.
Yeah.
So then, how was the African Safari playing in Africa? We've had stories. Orlando Pirates saying they went to Nigeria there and were booked at a place. The lowest quality hotels whereby they will hire a choo-choo band which comes and plays throughout the night and they will hire those ladies of the night so that you guys. So how was your experience?
First experience as a team Desportivo from Mozambique. Samba 1 week before he came. Samba on a Monday. He came in a weekend. That is figure Maputo. The hotel bus direct Sababes made the sharp but I can be so hotel. Such figure hotel any hotel Babes Pukere. Ama players won't come a roommate 14th floor. Won't come up a roommate 14th floor. And next thing, guess what?
He lifted sevens.
And from Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, that's 10 send them in. So our VXN is so many VXN say we do breakfast. We are taking kit training about 10. vele ebusuku sokumele ubuyele uyetshintsha ubuyele down for lunch afterwards 3 o'clock suthi imagine sagcina phela usuhluyehle ekuseni uhluyehlela konke
Usuthwele yonke into.
sesithwela phansi until i-game day singalokuzanga but we managed we played well sayenza 2-2 away sabuya sadraw home sabuya sadraw home again 1-1 but saqualify.
Oh, because you guys had scored twice away.
Yeah. Then next game we played Express. Is it Express from Uganda? Yeah, Uganda it was okay. I was treated right, but no, but sadlala labo first year. Yeah, sadlala eNational Stadium. Imagine home game, easy for us sidlalele Harare.
Oh.
Yeah, sadlala eNational Stadium. Basidla, team nane yasidla Harare. Yasidla 4-2, I think. Yasidla 2-1. Sahamba second day eKampala. Sayidla lathi 2-1. Sagcina sokungama-penalty. Sayidla ngama-penalty. Then next game sokungama-quarterfinals. We played Nkana from Zambia. Kwakukubi. I didn't play. Look, ngadlala i-first 2 games. Wonke ama-legs, first leg, second leg, first leg. But sesikunkana bandrop. I don't know. Basokuyiwomela etimini. Iwomela preferred uLokhuza. Iwomela preferred to stand imtasa. Dobani bumithi bakhipha mina lo Devi. Bafaka ustand. Yazi kwama-juniors khona kana dabe lihlezi sithi ayidliwe. Kwene bezabona. Kwene bezabona ukuthi asidlala. And sadliwa. Sadraw i-BF. Sahamba Nkana away Endola, kusendola I think. Basidla khona ngale.
Ngabe lichaya khona ngale.
Basichaya ngale. But very even i-BF babesikhulele. Bakudlala izithako bazazidlalela i-KK11 iZambia ichipolo.
Also they were very strong.
Very strong, yeah.
Hey.
Our African safari.
So, after that, vele ususti umdala womzi waye prefer eyakhe combination. Did you manage to come back into the team or what happened?
Yeah, very after that, who's around 89 that time. Started who's season young when it had Pela. That's where most of the team yonadani built Muroy Lotenda Chiesa. But Ifem Lopuli left to
they went out of the country.
Yeah. Then Joe Machingura Bakasungani abasapi team. Most of us very sakani sasing because you could change a cruise. The Saints were change, so we are a new cruise, a new generation. Yeah, abafana abancane. Baso ngena lo Joe agent legenga zabo Sancho labo Jima Ngai igroup bakasa ukutshintsha so ngena ku-1990.
But how old were you by that time?
I was 20, 24, 25, 23.
So now, why would they then do away with you guys when you were still like in football age? You were still you were in your prime.
Problem, it's saying but I think they had a good season. So it's next generation there. But the same thing problems. Because uwomela wathi uya yonke into uBarretta yenza uwomela wayagainst. So everything very kwaqasa ukuthena upside down. Very kwagcina ama-players abanye bechiya sebekhalala abachiyanga basebekhalala.
Eish.
Yeah, wangasamnandi kwahle waqasa uzothiwa umisheki abasadlali sebechile, umelusi sesukile sesiyakwayilenja, wamela caused confusion too much.
Hey.
So i-team yethu yaqalisa khona phana. Lami I had an injury time yangikhona khona bangahlala mbe 4 months in the plaster. That's where afterwards I left, went to Botswana.
So Botswana, you went there to join a team. Did someone scout you and then lure you to Botswana, or you just went club hunting, or you had, like maybe usiyazisebenzela?
No. Ngangiseyirecover kwi-injury khona pha. So ngangakabi unyawo lami ngangilokhu ngingakalu-trust ukuthi lu-right. Then came our friends ababedlala eBotswana, uNoza lo Mark babedlala eBotswana. So they told us, Pichanini phela sasihambela eBotswana that time ibhola yangikhona vele ingabalwa vele. Wawusithi abadlala eBotswana babe sasibachoka. So sahamba uNoza wasithi kunemali but ngathi kunemali. So sasihamba thina khona kuyani ukuthi sifike sidle imali siphenduke sesibuya sizocontinue ngelokhuza. Ngihamba lo-Obey so sasihambe khona kuyani ukuthi asihambe onxe ngafika sidle imali ngale sesiphenduka sesocontinue kulokhuza kuseyenzi. Sathi sifika ngale izinto zahamba sharp, and imali zangikhona zase far much better than what we were getting at Saints.
Serious?
Yeah, far much, maybe 3 times better than what we were getting.
All right, Norman, at Saints, how much were you paid at Zimsense? Maybe as a monthly salary and also winning bonuses?
Sasikhona ama-500. Ukuthi imali i-currency yatshintsha kakhulu, but sasikhona ama-500 as monthly salary. Then kwaba nama-winning bonus ama-90 pounds, ngama-90 not pounds, $90.
Then when you go to Botswana?
eBotswana sathi sifika singakasayini vele babesinika ama-1.2 okusinika nje okungani sathi sesiqasa ukuthi right sesinegotiate asinika malini, babesithi basinika ama-1.5.
Serious? Which year was that?
That was in 90s, 91, 90, yeah, 92. Ngagcina ngijoyine i-team eBotswana ngo-92.
Which team was that futhi?
Kwakuyi-Nico United.
Okay.
First sahamba ku-DGF 11. Sathi sifika ngona ngale safika sasitraina singani sikuma-trials like khona imali. Next thing sagcina sesirecruithwe ngomunye, imali sasiyenza lapha because kwakusithi ngabuye umdala we-GU afika akhulume lathi asinike imali athi lingajoyina siyazinika le. Sagcina sesikuNico, omunye umdala oyi-MP la wasihambisa kuNico, babesinika imali. So sasitshona siwazi ukuthi eBotswana kuchiphile imali. But I ended up staying ePelokuze Piquet kuNico United for the next 13 years.
Serious?
Ngahlala 13 years, yeah.
Udlala kuphela, you ended up getting into coaching?
Ngidlala.
Serious?
Ngahlala 13 years. Ngagcina sengingena kubo, before I left Botswana ngase ngile 30, ngandonke ngidlala then the 36 I think.
Serious?
37, 30, yeah.
So now the impact of Linama players in Zimbabwe in Botswana, there's someone who was telling me, you go to Botswana there and you mention, say, Mandla Balanda's name, and people will be like, that guy, he was a hero in Botswana. How was the impact of Zimbabwean players there?
Yeah, thina sathi sifika uMandla wathi as his peak. Sathi sifika vele eGaborone ungathi vele eZimbabwe, first thing bakuzwe ukuthi uyamazi uMandla. Yeah, Mandla, he was a hero. Babe mlokhuza vele lathi sathi sifika safica kulo Chemi Nsariro safica khona ngale lo Webster kuyisimba. So ama-players ayeseqalisa amazimbabweans khona phana uLokhuza ukuhamba, so lathi saba lesibindi ukuthi so labo Chemi labo Lokhuza sajoyina khona ngale. So ibhola yaqalisa ukutshintsha slowly eBotswana, baqalisa ukuba a bit more professional. And later on kwagcina sokujoyina uzenzo I think wabuya soon after. uzenzo kwabuya ngathi sesizwa sekuthiwa amadinda labo sebefikile. ORaman ended up going there. Kathesi vele eBotswana akusayisabisi ukuyadlala eBotswana.
So you guys, you also played a big role in uplifting Botswana football, because I know people like Abo Lofty, Labo Mdaluberi, Labo.
Labo Pero, even Gumede was there. Okay, Vaunda, Charles Wanda was there. Itai Chiesa was there. So also gcina amaZimbabweans ayepopular ngapha eZimbabwe ayesegcwele eBotswana sibili.
Okay. So now, how was it like playing well into your 36? You said 36.
37, yeah, 37.
And you were still able to compete.
Ngabulala eBotswana, if you go to Pique, if you go to, like you were saying, ukuthi ungathi bethu uMandla Balanda, wonke umuntu uyathi ePique nganginjalo lami. The whole town yayingazi.
Ukuthi abantu babenatha ngebizo lakho.
Vele nje amaZimbabweans vele basithi ungafika umZimbabwean bengani bayalokhuza beza bekutshela besithi uyamazi uNorman Gumbo. Hayi eBotswana I had a brilliant career. Kwakumnandi sibili ngadlala. Even at 37, mina i-last game, I remember last game yami engayidlalayo kwakuyi-semi-final ye-Coca-Cola Cup. Sadliwa ngama-penalty. And I was man of the match. That was my last game. I was man of the match. But ngase number 5.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I had a good career at Botswana.
So I understand now, because as a veteran, you can easily now play at the back. Wesikathe sokustrike la nge-1 muntu ukuthi uyakwanisa ukuthumela kuphela emafana mphike lapha.
Vele babengifakela khona ukuthi ngangithumela. And i-role vele ngabe mina ngona phana i-team yayi-organize ngabe mina scream throughout 90 minutes. Ngikhomvele ngale vele ngihle ngithi phika. Mina ngakubuya phela ngangichester mina ngayisibuya kimi sekumnandi. Ngitshela bemangala ukuthi defend Chester yayibuya kimi ngithi Chester ngithi ngidlale. Angazodefend edubulela phambili. Asingafika kimi ngithi ngidlale because vele bonke babe ngisebenzisa amalokhuze. Bonke ama-teammates ami. Phika labana phika ngase zibuya kimi kubuya leziyana
usuphika amaluzi ulidlale. Okay, all right. So then you then decided to move to the United Kingdom. Which year was that?
2005.
2005. Okay, then here, have you been involved in the game or support Liverpool yakho?
Ngathi ngifika lapha ngangakhocha ama-juniors. Ngakhocha ama-juniors kwakuthiwa yiLokhuza. Kwakuthiwa yi-Soccer Stars, ama-under 11.
Okay.
It was too much for me. Ngangikhona ngisathi ngiyarelaxa from i-pressure yokuba ngiyi-player yona lana utshona under pressure. Then kwaqalisa sengikhocha ama-juniors. Ama-parents amakhocha ama-juniors alapha kunzima. Ama-parents are so involved. You have to, after time you have to khuluma i-team talk, ama-parents abegcwele around khona phana. Lo lalo efuna ukukhocha umntanakhe, lo lalo efuna ukufaka iLokhuza. And during the week, ama-phone calls yabe sebuya. How is he doing? Look at umntanakhe. How is he doing? Is he going to play this weekend? Ngatshela lo ngithi ye nekudlalwana nge-weekend base bengikhangele so mina I need a time off football. So ngathi hayi angisakwanisi ngachiyana lezi bhora.
Okay. So now, in your family, do you have maybe any kids that can continue the Kumbo legacy in the game?
Unfortunately, no. Abantu abami bonke azobebhora lokubukela ababukeli. At least abazukulu bami, I've got abazukulu bathanda ibhola ngabathi bayasapota but ekudlala now akula. So khathesi all our efforts wonke waphelela emoyeni. Akusela khathesi odlala ibhola.
Aye. So now, maybe on a lighter note, did you ever at some point sit down and be like, between you guys who went on to play in the top flight, because you said Uchale was a good player, but he did not pursue a career in football. Between you, Raman, and Sancho, would you sit down and be like, Mina Machita was the better player between us?
It happened, it happened trying one pub ebulawayo kuthiwa yini eka-Omega, epub ka-Omega.
All right.
Archers.
Archers, eh.
Archers on a nice Saturday afternoon sizinathela. Kwathutsha ubani ngathi waqalisa wagcina uvuka umsindo.
Aw.
Kwathutsha somebody, I can't remember, u-Ezra kumbe. Waqalisa silokhu sixoxa ngebhola sithi, you guys lonke namuhla sihlezi sonke me, Raman, Sancho, Charlie, sihlezi sinatha. Then kwavuka itopic yokuthi who was it? Somebody mentioned uChunky nguye wayephela lina ufana wawuyathi lina ufana phela lokhu yuthi la liphume emanewspapers, but lo nguye wayekwazi phela ibhola wathi waqalisa from there. Kwagcina sokuvuka umsindo. uRaman claimed ukuthi yena he was the best, waqalisa ukuthi hey mina ngangiyi-best, mina ngangenza so ngayenza ngawina lokhu. Kwaqalisa jokingly sagcina wena awungalazi wena uyithi wadlalela lena. Sagcina siphikisana sodwa. Kwavuka umsindo wagcina uRayi iphume ekhalala ngena emotweni edriver off. uSancho naye wayesetshela uRayi awungalazi wena. It once came up ukuthi mbani who was better than the.
Okay. So now uSancho ulandela ku-Saints, was it your influence yini ukuthi ukulandele ku-Saints?
Yeah, definitely. uSancho is my boy. Yonke into vele Sancho ku-Saints ngale kushapha. uSancho trained ku-Saints ekuma-under 14. And under 14 yakhona ihambe yawina iChibuku Cup, i-team yabo.
Okay.
Yeah, and uRala wadlala eSaints before.
Oh.
Yes, uRala wadlala eSaints before. And kuma-juniors, under 14, under 16.
Then wasesiya ku-Eagles.
Wasesiya no, right. Wasesuka ku-Saints wabuyela kuNjube. Then he went to play team yamaKarate ngathi-Cosmos.
All right.
Wadlala i-Cosmos. Coach wangona wabathatha from Cosmos wabahambisa e-Eagles.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, so now since you were the sons of a man who ran a club with Njube United, Sancho is coaching back home there, or by the time I left, he was involved in coaching Kubo Chicken in Nangali. Maybe any plans to say, Lati, maybe leaving a club owner in the future?
We had that plan. We always discussed that with you guys. Kumele siplane sizameni ilokhuza singazuza imali, singazuza ilokhuza sivuseni Njube United, sivuseni kumbe siyenze i-academy at least in Njube. But unfortunately, Ura passed away. But we had plans to Njube United.
Okay, so now, do you still keep tabs with local football? They are now showing the games even Google, YouTube, and all that. So do you still follow the game and comparing it to your era? I know people say it's difficult to compare eras, but when you compare, have we improved or we have regressed as a nation?
Rest too much. Too much. iZimbabwe, imagine iZimbabwe, for instance, national team. Sake safika kuma-heights lana ukuthi asesikhompyutha labo-Egypt, labo-lokhuza, like ilokhuza yethu, i-dream team yethu there.
Mm.
Yayisithi ngayidlala, the whole nation would stand still and simelele ukuthi siyakwanisa, sile-hope yokuthi iyakwanisa ukudla any team. But look at Zimbabwe now. Honestly, even i-league yankhona, look at ama-teams khathesi akhona, i-Islander idlala. Ngathi ngangabukela i-Islander, I felt bad. Uyibukela nje ngathi, felt bad. Even isize yama-players ukuthi banganani. Bancane too much.
Alina isikuthi leligqoka amashoti amancane yini kanti?
No. Look at ama-players ayikhona laphana. Look at i-Islander nxa itshaya i-warm-up ingena laphana. Wawubona amaNdebele cha ukhwela, ubona ukuthi bashayela into abayaziyo ukhwela. Kungena uRambo, kungena uZanda, kungena oWillard. La uyabona ukuthi kungena amadoda. I-Saints nxa ingena kungena o-Ephraim Chawanda, kungena uMishek Sibanda. La uyabona ukuthi ya. Not khathesi uthatha kungena i-Islander. Ya.
So uthe wona lalitshaya ama-team ngenxa ye-fitness. But Islanders Zimbabwe senzi kuseqwa amafensi, uJohn Postore siyathela amanzi esenta yeground. Lina kukhona likwenza endlani.
That was football. Proper. But yeah, kukhona obviously yazi African football anjazi ngabe alingene ground kungela lokhuza. Ingayenzanga isi-African sona esethu sona lesiya. Lava kumele ecamping Saints, hey.
A lot was happening.
Mama. Phela sithi lapho ngene ground laphana labe likwazi ukuthi namhlanje vele si-ready. Siyawina.
Can we have examples, Nocha?
People will kill me. I was telling Ubudi the other day, I was talking to Ubudi khuluma kulokuze sithi umdala unolokuze imithi lana eyikhona kuSenzi amathi hayi Budi okunye akukhulunywa lokhu.
Yes, because you know what I did. Was it level 2? No, Zifa level 2 with Ujimi P. Rancho.
Yeah.
So Jimmy is a very friendly guy. Yeah, so he kind of took me under his wing and very even our lunch breaks. You know what? It's just camper. So there was Mdala would come and do his stuff. Upuli would be like, I'm not doing this. Because I think maybe Kempela kwa look more PG in so wakuduze kwa ngopuli in. Upuli said very nice yankala. But abanye laba okwenza khanya umuntu embo edlala laye umuntu oyekhompyutha laye yini, that guy was scoring. He was scoring sibilo ukuthi awubhuli wacela ukuthi mana lama kwezinto lokho kunjani. Kuthiwa nguye usithi hey Madala, where's that thing ngoba la wezehlosi.
Vele ubhuli vele wayeseba first ke. Ngambona ubhuli wayeseba first. But hey kwakukubi sase kulo manje kule time sase sigqoka amaqanda. Sasibuya ecamping bebuye uchaya amaqanda akho wajikela ethablini. Kubuye umdala ngikhona egcwalisa okunye labantu selingena emanzini seligeza then selisiyalala linjalo. Sasiwajaya amathimu. But i-West kwakuyikucaba kwasokuthiwa kuzothiwa siyacatshwa. I remember sise-Falls one time kwathiwa kuyacatshwa. Kwaba lelokhuza kwavuka umsindo kwathiwa hayi. Then uBhuli loShane, I think uBhuli loShane ndo bantu bathi bona akucatshwa no. Singela choice thina. Basichaba. obhuli bathi kwathiwa hayi nxa lingalokhu zi-right out ekhempini out bagcina becabile labo. Hayi ngawuvela even mina khathesi amadolo la acatshwa ngibeka not just once.
Lama-11.
Awukanengi even inseni seBotswana. Even inseni seBotswana acatshwa. So hey, African football
Eish. Usesaba futhi ukuthi if I refuse I'll be removed from this team.
That but khona khani team spirit ukuthi right babuya besithi right funa ukuyenza so it's for the team. Wena ususithi no kuyabe kunzima wonke umuntu engathi ye dawe enhlizweni but uyaphanga ukuthi machita then ungene la ucabe ukuthi akusoze kungenze lutho. It's only vele kusekhanda kuphela ukuthi right because kucatshwa kuphela then sokuphelile sokudlula sengingena egamini.
Hey. Yeah. So usithi sasibukela ama-delayed lapha.
Vele ground wawusithi nxa ungena siyangena eground lapha kasokuyenzakala into eziningi. BF laphana i-BF ngathiwa sithi kungavuleka ukuthi into ezenzakala laphana abantu bengatshaya uvalo. So kwayenzakala into eziningi e-BF.
Because I remember situations whereby Islanders ufike uthole kweqa ifence ngoba umuntu usefike le players eqhaqa ifence bona sebenzani sebengena kumbe at some point a team gets in there without wearing their boots. The only word sebengenile.
African football
But now, Noja, if it works, why is it that when African teams go to the World Cup, we struggle to get past the knockout stages?
Ibhora yethu leyama-QTN kakhulu. Vele amakhiwa akusebenzisi konke khona khona. But vele ngebhora sikhatshana vele. Ngaze siyenzeni sikhatshana. Ngaze sibuyele le juju yethu yona lana akungeni emakhiweni. Amakhiwa, they are technically far better than us.
So now, maybe if you're now talking about that, should we say these kids, abantu lava that were born here or in the West, should we now give them preference when it comes to building these national squads because they've had better training, better preparation, better grooming? Because like if you're saying technically vele abelungu ba phambili kulathi, so we've got kids that are growing up so bangcono kula bethu yina bakhulele ngangale kubonjuve academy.
Khatshana kakhulu. Look at ungathatha iplayer kathesi ekhaya like ekhaya wawusithi ungathatha very good player esimbone emalokitshini ngale ekwazi ukuthi iskill reach yenzani umbise nga bangaka abalokuzayo abakwanayo wakwana where Peter was exceptional obvious. Peter wabuya wakwana la but abanye bangaki talent esasilayo ngale yayesabise eAfrica but bangaka ababuya bakwana nga.
Yeah, maybe. I get your point. Also, the matter could lie in that here there's so much emphasis on structure, discipline, and all that. Because when you're talking about Tina Ngas talent, it's a how no man reach bonke. But lapa they'll be like those touches that you take on the ball, so many touches on the ball, you're delaying our attack.
Yeah, you're delaying. I was saying that I was laughing the other day, last week with the Arsenal,
the city.
The city. People, Fananano check what he did, tepi. What issue? That's what we do in Africa. Africa ungenza njalo manje vele nguyinkalakatha. But ngapha ngapha vele bayakutshela bethi funa ibhora faka ibhora phansi upase ngalo kuyenze so siwine. So honestly, I remember sake sadlala the Bromby from Ndokuza siku-Saints. Sabuya sikwazi ukuthi sidlala namabhara amakhiwa ngamabhara sabareyisha bebasishaya 7-1.
Hey,
bechaya 3-4 passes go.
sebefikile egedini.
Baba sithi one pass ihambe ngani. By the time sithi siyathena so wabona striker says control ibhola sikhangela ukhipha.
Yeah, I think you've got a point there because Tina, we kind of focus too much on the excitement value or the entertainment value of Ibora and Tina entertainment. It's imbobo. Show me your number. But konke it does not count as if alright when they are awarding points now. Ukuthi isense ibe lembobo engu7 ile ndawo lembobo engu3. Hayi, what counts is abanyikinyise inet kaningi. Those are the winners. So maybe when it comes to the academies there, we have to maybe employ more coaches that maybe have been trained ngangapha abalama values angangapha, who will instill that thing yokuthi hey guys okuqhakathekile ukuthi ayigeti nothi ukuthi bathi udlala lebhora ama-coach bekhiwa
awusebenzi. Like sengicoach amalokhuza ngifika la kwakubuya amalokhuza mina ngingengqondo yebhola ye-Africa. So i-team yami yayidlala khona kani ukuthi 1 2 3 striker sesiyahlohla bafika baba kule lokhuza kwakuthiwa what director of what babuya bazokhuluma lathi basitshela bathi ama-players kumele acoachwe the-English way. Mina ngaqazi akunga-understand what is the English way. Nanti sifuna iwin. Number 2 vele ngangasalalelanga sebengitshela ukuthi number 2 bengitshengisa amalokhuza uGary Neville ukuthi udlala njani udefender kumele ayenze so mina ngahle ngathi mina angu-understand konke lokhu kwe-English lokhu. But now kathesi 10 years later sengunanzelela ukuthi ibhola injani.
Yeah. So maybe any plans to get back into coaching so that you can impart the knowledge that you've gained in your long career? Or it's too stressful?
No, thank you. No more. I'm enjoying my part as a supporter. The supported Liverpool, I enjoy it, and you got stress away than over a player foot.
Yes.
Over a supporter, we are stressed. But no, thank you. No more football. No.
So maybe since you were a midfield player, the midfield that's the spine of the team. Which player could you say, whenever I came across or I came against Usmani Banyana, ngangalali because ngikwazi ukuthi ngizabe vele ngithwele nzima eground. Who was your most difficult opponent?
Suma Juniors kwakunoMahamti.
Okay.
Yeah, sasikwazi ukuthi uMahamti ule skill kungavuke irafu ule rafu and so it was difficult to play against uMahamti. It was so difficult. Then came omunye umfana uThuthani Moyo. He was so talented. That was Uma Juniors. Ron Joe. He used to give us problems at junior level. Then my seniors, Oscar Moti from Ndoguza, and obviously from Caps, and obviously Gaudo Willard. Willard, he was so talented. Yeah.
So you knew when I'm coming up against Willard, oh, you could very so charm underhand tactics.
Vele vele kwakunceda khona ukuthi vele sesidlale yona engaso ground lana but
Uh,
but it was difficult to play with that.
uh,
It was very difficult,
then you said your best friend in football was Obey. Obey lalisuke lonke kuma juniors.
Obey was my twin. Mm.
Yeah, there's a story lapho Dumaza asitshela sona ukuthi kuthiwa lathi lisiye ewangele lathi lisestimeleni. So Lina, is it you guys who had brought your things or how ke la? Because abantu begasi siyalazi lilomusa umuntu ongamazi kuyothi endoda siyachaya la. So what really transpired there?
Atwazi kuma-juniors thina futhi sasingama-juniors lana ayengezwa ayehlupha so vele sathi sihamba ngale odimazi babengabotshoma abashapha abanganathiyo laboneshini bazinganathiyo but sagcina sesijoyinile lana so hey izitori zegasi ziningi too much but well.
So now how would you want people to remember because mina unomany image engilayo umuntu ekantsha. So when I'm looking back at your career, how do you think fans remember you? Maybe say as Zim fans, how do you think the memories that they have of you, then the Bots fans, because like Bots, you played well into middle age, whereby you even ended up playing maybe as a sweeper role, as a libero. So how do you think people remember you as a footballer?
Yeah, I know even now, people, obviously, Highlanders fans, babengantandi because I used to kick ama-players abo. Or versus Highlanders, they know even sidliwe, I'll still fight and fight. I'll give you up. But Saints, obviously, I was liked Saints. So I would like to be remembered as one of the good players, I would say, but who didn't reach. I did like Zimbabwe didn't reach where I wanted to get to. I didn't reach where I wanted to get to.
And also, before you talk about the both side, you guys in Botswana, you were kind of overlooked when it came to national team selection. I think it was it Fabian Zulu? Owayebizwa but lakho even the fans would be like ngubani nalo awudlale Botswana. So you're now talking about someone who did not reach their fullest potential looks in Ezim. Do you feel aggrieved the national team selectors really did not rate you guys that were based in Botswana, or maybe we missed out as a nation because you guys could have helped us?
Yeah, they offered because obviously Botswana we look at Botswana like a lower standard football. So when I was in Port, I reached some heights where I thought the national team I can contribute something, and but we were obvious we knew what our sort of speeds were very. So unfortunately, well, Fabi, okay, I think they got calls. Yeah, okay, once, but I felt with well, Sakutu the national team, unfortunately. But well, it is what it is.
Yeah. So then in Botswana, you think people consider you a legend there?
Go to Pique even now. Go to Pique and talk about Norman Kumbo. Everyone still worships me. I did very well there. I did very well.
Okay.
Yeah.
It has been wonderful talking to you, Norman Kumbo. I said, I used to watch the Simpsons versus Highlanders, and those were some. I don't know how to describe the kind of matches. You know, Zimbabwe Saints versus Highlanders was a heated affair. It was a heated affair because even when the supporter ngikwazi umdala lwana webhera lwana ukuthi kwakuthiwa ngubani
Khumalo.
wathi ukhumalo, yes, ukhumalo wathi nxa echaya ibhera yakhe so edlule deliberately phambi kwempankwini laphana uzokuthi ahambona uhambe emaplankeni la uhambe emaplankeni le, so you would know ukuthi izibhakera zizakhala kuma-stands, izibhakera zizakhala phakathi elokuzeni egroundini. So you really gave us some great memories. It's unfortunate. This is something that I was even talking to Lozanda some time back. It's unfortunate that we do not have footage of those matches. Because I do think even lapha kuma YouTube vele ngabe zilama millions of viewers because of the quality of football, because of the emotion involved in those games. I-passion ekhona laphana angikwazi ukuthi iseheha ngaphi. So thanks a lot for those memories, and hopefully maybe kuzaphinda kuphenduke sikubone, because after watching i-Highlander kaBenjani le bangasebanzi abelifaka phansi bayalipasapasa, so maybe kuza improve, but it's no longer the same.
Well, let's hope so. But iyadraw kakhulu i-Highlanders.
But we've got three good coaches there, you know, because I know Nkokeli is a very good coach. Experience so you know, it's just into encane, just one tweak, and they find someone who's a goal poacher, because it's a case of finding someone who's going to finish all those chances that they are creating.
Yeah, we hope Islanders. Yeah, it will be nice for Islanders to.
Oh, but you know, before we let you go, isensi khathesi uyeza kuthiwa isensi sebengani bazama ukuyirevive, uzeza kuthiwa sekule 3 camps sekulobani. So lina as former Zim-Sense players, have you maybe tried to come together and put your heads together ukuthi lithi lina kanti ingarevivwa njani isense, because Zimbabwean football needs isense, because kade sakula derby to talk about ngoBulawayo.
Yeah, see that group here, Tama Legends, former Saints players, that group here too. We've tried revive it, sharp, but then our factions came up again. Yeah, but the Saints test is back. They are playing actually now. Yeah, it's 4 o'clock now. They are actually playing today. Eagle Division 1, I think. They are today. So it's equal Saints.
Let's hope izaphenduka ibe yiyo sibili yona na ichawula chikwata sibili.
Unfortunately, I saw ifike kuma heights lana eyafika khona, but at least ikhona kathesi. Which is good. At least it's our memory. We still have our memories. At least our memories is locust now. As it is, I was just reading about Dido Cruiser.
I
was just reading about the good old days, our Saints, and thinking that this is Division 1.
And talking about ibhuku, why lina kanti bantu be Southern Region lingabhala amabhuku? Enjani uRaman, because sesikhuluma iqiniso nje why right uRaman ethi lina vele lingazifake ku level yakhe, because uRaman he played kubo Dream Team and what wadlala phandle kwelizwe ntwana. So even when he got into coaching, uRaman wawin ama championship kubo Malawi, won championships in Botswana, but kathesi sokuyakhulunywa in the second person, sokuyakhuluma umuntu oselandisa uNorman kathesi seyasitshela ethi mina ngibhetha kulo Ramani mina ngenza so uRahman kasekho kathesi ukuthi ethini ethi anome lamanga mina daily nje ngenza so why is it that you guys alibhali amabhuku ungathi uyakhayela most of the books esabhalwayo ngabantu be-northern region Jafet Mparutsa, Shuto Murisa, Memo Mucherawa ngangapha lina kuyini kade okwehlulayo.
That's true. Yeah. That's true. Hey, that's a tough one. I don't know.
No man kathesi right kunje. Most of you guys literate you can just sit down on your computer uqase ukuzibhala ubhale ephepheni ubhale ephepheni khona okwesikwenzayo kathesi ukuthi kube lo muntu oseduzane lawe so lixoxe kufakwe irekoda lapha then that guy ehambe eseyedwa start transcribing lo khana kade kuxoxwa and puts it in a book. And also the fact yokuthi I have to thank you ukuthi when I reached out to you, you were like, no problem, let's do this. Because as it is now, this is a documentation esesiyenzile. We have documented in stories zakho, because I do think ukuthi enye into that's now working against the books, kids these days don't read. When I used to go to the library and, but kathesi, you tell your kid to go to the library, they're like, librarian, I've got my library on my phone here.
Yeah.
So sebefuna ama-visuals wona lawa ukuthi simbonile ezikhulumela esithi. So other guys, when you try to reach out to them, I know, can we do this? They blue tick you. But thanks a lot for responding so well. Vele awuzange utshona unika any hassles. So hopefully maybe someone is going to reach out to you ukuthi eyibambe ngenye angle, because our styles are different. There might be something that I did not touch on. Someone will watch and be like, but ungakhuluma lo nomeni wehlile ukumbuza ABCD. And so keep availing yourselves, guys, so that at the end of the day, even abazukulu bakho nxa sokukhuluma ukuthi kuthiwa ukhulu phela wadlala ibhora, they can easily go to these things and click and hear from the horse mouth uzikhulumela wena ukuthi so I do hope ukuthi other ex-pros also will be encouraged when they see you guys coming onto this podcast, because it's your story. It has got to be told, because if you don't tell your story, someone will tell the story and then seqalisa ukuthi ezifake yena in a better light now ukuthi haya unomdlali imboni esenzela yimi engamtrenayo.
True. Yes. Yeah.
So let us hope the team yethu leyo igqokileyo le next season is a performer better, because if sesaba lokuyibukela so
Just hey.
Hey, do you wonder what's happening? What's wrong after all these new players that have come in?
I think we Slot made a mistake when we release players esasilawo. Instead of adding to what we have, add our pillar keeper. So it's like mending something which is not damaged. Why, why did he sell Luis Diaz?
Was it a case of ukuthi yena nguye sefuna ukuhamba maybe yebona i-competition ukuthi lapha phela ama-players lina you want to play day in day out, so nxa songani sekulokuyi-rotation okuthile, you guys don't like that. So I thought Diaz was pushing for that move away, and to keep someone who's not happy at the end of the day, they might not be as productive as when they really want to stay.
Yeah, but even Darwin Núñez, you should have kept him. Núñez, why did he cover Eddie Mulalayo?
In crucial moments, he delivers.
Yeah. Mulalo kusquad uyafunakala uthole khona eteamini ngona bani ukwazi ukuthi kathesi kunje kathesi ngwadimali uIsaac. Says we are thin up front. Last week wathi ukuthi Medulo kuze KTK dasala ungasela lutho.
Yeah.
So I think that one or two players very squad sethu si thin kakhulu.
Ange.
At least our youngsters are coming up. Rio,
Mm.
Trey.
Yeah, let's hope by next season, it will be back to normal because I tell you, it's too stressful to follow Liverpool. So since it's a weekend like this, let me release you uzibukelele amabhora lapho uzirelaxelele muli. But I'd like to repeat ukuthi thanks a lot for taking time to talk to us, and hopefully the people are going to enjoy watching this and seeing you reminisce about the good old days. You know, really, we've got this tendency which when we look into the past, we glorify izinto, but hayi lami ngiyavuma ukuthi back in the day kwakumnandi, especially Zimbabwe Saints versus Highlanders. You'd come out of that game as a supporter feeling money well spent here. So maybe any final words to anyone who will watch the podcast, be it supporters of Zimbabwe Saints, followers of the game of football, or your fellow ex-pros?
Oh, nothing much, nothing much. It's only that no, I'm just happy to have been part of this podcast. Thanks to you, and thank you everyone for watching. Abazabukela, well, thank you. Hope you
Andrew.
enjoy. Yeah.
Thanks a lot, Noja. Hey, I clicked on a link. I think which website did a story with you. Try yini ipenye nickname yakho uthiwa yini kwanguchoka Kafure uthwani?
Okay. Uombarume.
Okay. And but from the right up, it seems like okwazi ukuthi yavela.
Uombarume is that, you know, Uombarume nesishona yini? That Ndwangu. I think why ngichoka ukuthi ngigijima njani.
All right.
That Ndwangu egijimi inje, so eyilokhu
all right.
engani boss yezindwangu.
Oh, so I see ukuthi wayesithi uboss midfield.
Hopefully wayesitsho njalo, but I doubt.
Okay, Noja. So cheers, man, and thanks a lot for availing time to talk to us.
My pleasure. Thanks to you. Cheers.
Sharp.
Sharp.